In this video, you'll learn how to see the login history on a computer running Ubuntu. Start by opening the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl Alt and T at the same time. Now, to view the login history, type this command. Then press Enter. This shows a list of recent user logins. You will see usernames, the time they logged in, and how long each session lasted. You might also see entries with the word reboot. That just means the system was restarted. If you want to see failed login attempts, type this command instead. lastb, press Enter again. You might need to run this command with sudo like this. Sudo lastb. This shows any failed logins. These could be typing mistakes or someone trying to access your system. To exit the list, just press Q if the list is long and you're stuck in the viewer. That's how you check login history on Ubuntu using the terminal.